Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the Ethereum setup and update. But before going to look at that chart, if anyone want to join us or looking for membership or training, just simply go to wave-trader.com, check membership levels. Or if you are looking for further information, just simply fill that form and send that to me. Okay, now let's get back to the Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum was falling from that previous top. Okay, after having inflation, it went up aggressively higher, and then from that top, when Fed started to raise the interest rate, tighten the monetary policy, then Ethereum started to drag lower. Okay, now Ethereum is just simply setting up for a buy opportunity all the way up to this previous top or possible 3,800 in coming months. Okay, but before going to look at that chart, let's look at this. All right, let's look at this chart. So when it was at the top, we were expecting it to drop. We got the drop from that previous top all the way up to 800. All right, and we got the continuation formation over there, far downside, and we got that big drop. The reason why we have got that drop when no one was expecting that drop to happen, because inflation was, rising, and central banks were just, getting ready for inflation to counter. Okay, and that caused the drop all the way back to that previous low. Okay, so after hitting that previous low, now it's setting up for a buy opportunity. So what's the reason why it's setting up for a buy opportunity? All right, the reason is very much simple. Central bank interest rate hikes was causing that drop. Okay, now they have done very much with their interest rate rise. Okay, now highly likely we are going to see central banks pivot in next couple of months, and that going to drive the price higher. Okay, so we already got the bottom over there on Ethereum at this area. Okay, so if I'm going to look at this chart, we were expecting it to break out that flag, break out for upside or test the low and then break. We got the break. And it's pushing higher. So very much similar like the Bitcoin, but slightly a different formation, we can say that. So Ethereum is a bit different formation than the Bitcoin. Okay, so this bigger daily flag, which is just trying to appear over there. Okay, this bigger daily flag is just trying to appear over there. So right now we are expecting it to break out and continue to keep rising all the way up to 3,800. Okay, or give us double bottom or triple bottom, we can say that. Okay, or flat formation, simply we call that. So if I'm going to look at the lower time frame where the opportunity is just forming, opportunity is almost already gone from that previous low, right, where this chart, okay, already gone for longer term opportunity within these areas. Okay, from 1200 or 1180 for longer term, but short term opportunities are still there to catch up. Okay, so for that, it is very much similar like the Bitcoin. It's setting up for another breakout. Okay, this correction is just simply setting up for a breakout, and you are looking for a breakout and continuation for more upside. We already got the triangle. Okay, very much similar like the Bitcoin, if you remember the Bitcoin analysis. I'm gonna look at the 1 hour time frame chart and gonna look at the moving averages. Very much similar analysis like the Bitcoin. Okay, correction is just simply trying to appear over there. Moving averages to hold, price can slightly drag lower for another leg. Okay, and then break out and continue to keep pushing more higher. All right, or break out without hitting that previous low. So price action areas are these where you are paying attention. Okay, if price do not hold that and break slightly lower, you are watching these areas for price to hold and continue to keep pushing more higher. Remember, price should not fall aggressively lower the trend which is just appearing over there. Okay, that trend. This trend should not break down aggressively. Okay, if it is going to break down aggressively, then price can visit that previous low here, 1100. All right, so I'm not anticipating price to break down and test that low. What I'm anticipating, price to just keep correcting and keep pushing higher. All right, you see there, flags are forming and breaking out, forming, breaking out. Okay, so forming and breaking out, there we can see. All right, so again, as long as price keep forming those flags, you are looking price to just keep breaking for more upside. Okay, these flags and bigger, slightly a bigger triangle. So again, it is forming that flag. You are looking that flag to break out and continue to keep pushing more higher. For a short-term target, you are looking Ethereum to tag that previous high. Okay, let's look at this. Previous high going to be at 2000. Right, this previous high 2000 or 2100. This is the trade you are looking next. All right. So thank you. We'll see you back again in another analysis. Until then, bye.